Hello, my friends. Well, I have a fun project today. I was commissioned to do a pour using the Chicago Cubs colors. So I bought a face mask, a set of 3 actually, so I could get the color correct. I mean, it's red, white, and blue, but it's a particular blue, and I wanted to be as accurate as possible. So I mixed what I had left in Phthalo Blue and Ultramarine using Arteza colors, and I mixed it in the cup without any medium and let it dry, and then compared that, because as you know, acrylic colors dry a little darker. So I felt that was close, but a little too dark, so then I added a bit of white, and I'm pretty happy with that. I think I came pretty close to the color. And then the red was pretty much right out of the bottle, the scarlet red. I felt that was a close match, so I didn't, my husband's vacuuming, so I didn't add anything to that. So that was fun to do. Now I almost used up my my paints here, but I'm going to cut the top off and use a palette knife and scoop out the rest, like to use every bit of it. And then, just to jazz up the blue a little bit more, I got into my Arteza mica powder treasure box, and I added some Sapphire Blue, some of that to my blue, just to give a little bit of shimmer. I can see it. I don't know that you can if I show you, but it is there, and when it dries it should be more noticeable. Now, I'm only using the 3 colors, but it is challenging to use these 3 because I don't want to end up with pink. Don't mind if I get a little lighter shade of blue. That wouldn't be awful, but I really hope I don't get pink. So I'm going to, I kept the mix quite thick. Did I say I'm going to do ring and ribbon? That's my plan. So, yep. What else? Anything else? Oh, this canvas was a little bit rough. Had actual bumps on it, so I took a sanding pad and knocked down the bumps, and then used my tack cloth to remove any gesso dust. But so it's not completely smooth. Well, I want a little bit of tooth to grab the paint, but it's not nearly as rough as it was, and I was concerned with the ring pour that it would actually interfere with the rings. So that's what I did. And here we go. Probably do 3 layers maybe of each color. And I don't want purple either, but you know, it's when you're only using 3 colors, there's no way to avoid having a couple colors side by side that you really don't want. But as I said, I don't want to sandwich them with too much white because I don't want to end up with pink. Well, that looks pretty in there right now. I'm using the Polycrylic mix because I find that does keep the colors separate if you keep it thick enough. I'll put the recipe down below as always. It's my favorite medium. Is this my, I think this is my 2nd layer, right? And this is the 3rd. I'm going to reserve a little bit in case I need it for the ribbons. Okay, here we go. I feel like I should be singing "Take Me Out to the Ball Game," but I won't. And here we go. Got a little blending there, but it's unavoidable. I'm liking the what I'm seeing here so far. Yeah, I'm going to use it all up and then add the ribbons, maybe in a clean cup. Oh my gosh, I just ran my finger. I ran my finger through the middle. Oh, that's a bummer. Fortunately, this side is my least favorite, so maybe I can, oh my word, that's disappointing. This is the best half though. So maybe I can run my mistake off. That was really bad. Okay. That's disappointing. All right, there we go. I like this area very much. The colors stayed nice and crisp and separate. Yeah, I'm going to, don't worry about this edge. That's not good. I will cover this part and then I'll run that off. Maybe I didn't mix enough paint. I thought I had plenty, but okay, so I'm happy with this part. And this has got to go. So I'm going to bring the whole thing down this way. Okay. Oh, that's pretty up there. Now back to the center and get rid of that purpley part. It's really requiring a lot of stretching on the rest of it. You may have to live with a little bit of that blend, but maybe not. I'm going to try to tilt the whole part off that I don't care for. Without compromising what I do like. It's almost gone. I have about an inch to go. Okay. Almost looks like underwater with a bunch of little red fish. Okay, now let me send the paint back a little bit. Now the paint, that's very thin on the surface now. I have tilted off a lot. I had to maintain the colors I needed. So now, yeah, I like it. I'm going to remove my gloves so I don't drip on here. And get a clean cup. And I think I want to do ribbons. What should I? Maybe I should. I'm almost wondering if I should let it dry and then do the Cub C on there. You know what? I think I will. I'm not sure how I would feel about ribbons on there. Because I kind of like it. I'm going to change my plan and let it dry. And then I'll paint the white C, or the red letter C with a white outline. And if I feel really ambitious, I'll do the little bear cub on there. But there we go. Now that will dry darker. I mean, it got stretched out here, but this is very much the correct color. Well, I hope they're going to like it. We'll see. All right, folks, thanks for joining me. I'll show you the finished product in another video. Bye now. Okay, well, a little PS here. My client loves the pour. Yay! So we did decide that I'm going to add the little Cubs logo in the lower right-hand corner. Not a big one, but just a little one in that corner there. But I had a little paint left over, and I thought it would be fun to try something. I'm going to pour all of the color I have left in to one of these cups, starting with the red. Scrape all the blue. And then the white. And just do a straight pour onto this little canvas and see what I get by not layering the colors at all and not doing a ring pour, because I think even the motion of doing this with the cup perhaps blends the paint a little bit. So I'm thinking maybe a straight pour will keep them more distinct. Let's check it out. Let's try. So here we go. There's the red. I am rotating my hand slightly. Oh no. I had to cough and I messed up my straight bore. Oh my word. Sorry about that. See if I keep my finger out of it this time. Okay. That just, a little something caught in my throat. Okay. Well, the colors are nice and separated. Yeah, maybe that's what I should have done with the, on the big one, just one layer. Oh well. It's mostly, the blue is Cub Blue, but I could have mixed more blue. That's kind of fun. Huh. Good to know. There's a little bit of blending here, but pretty much avoided the pink. Got a little bit of purple there. Light blue, but yeah, I like it. Okay, folks, I don't know if I'll even add this on to the end, but it's kind of fun. Let me bring it up to you. It's pretty good, crisp delineation of lines there using the polycrylic mix. They work really well with the Arteza paints. Okay, that's it. Bye now.